So what you're saying is, Sally, that we could have ended up really having business Southampton, business Portsmouth, business Winchester, business Basingstoke. You know, how many businesses could we get? I know you did have an aspiration to have a business UK at one point, but that wasn't going to be ideal, was it?
No, and I think there was an opportunity, wasn't there, to sort of work with our partners and stakeholders and all the businesses, whose many of whom reach extended along the Solent corridor and beyond and into North Hampshire. Say, actually, is there a way we can collaborate and work together more as a region?
Yeah.
And so, working with Portsmouth. To break down the barriers between Southampton and Portsmouth was particularly challenging, but also quite good fun, I have to say, and ended up in the first MIPIM in London, where we brought Southampton, Portsmouth and the Isle of Wight together as a Solent region to sell and promote the region for growth and jobs and investment. And that was the start of that sort of wider collaboration
and galvanising that support. And we've always said this business is about the people, haven't we? And I can remember that really what was instrumental in encouraging Portsmouth and Southampton to work together was the chief exec of Southampton and the leader of Portsmouth. They got on really well. They saw that it made sense to work together. And at that point, I think that they won the City Deal funding, didn't they, as two cities rather than one. So we needed to be inclusive rather than continue with that silo working, really, didn't we?
Yes, and aligning some of our delivery with government objectives and strategic economic plans obviously made sense, working with the public sector. Working in collaboration as one team, really, for the South.
And most recently, government's directive has very much been about the regions, hasn't it? So I think it was timely, particularly when we really worked hard to develop an identity for our part of the UK, going right back to where we started with the weather reporters, slicing us in half. We're not south east or southwest, we're very much the central south, a really important part of the engine for UK PLC. So when we took that idea up to government a couple of years ago, we were told we needed a data set. We've now got a brilliant relationship with ONS. So we've actually got a set of data that says we're just shy of 3 million people population. But there are also some challenges then in there around health and around graduate retention. But having that wider regional identity, I think, has helped us massively with the inward investment agenda.